It is official. My girlfriend and I are building a Ryan Homes St. Lawrence, and I felt it was time to start documenting the process. Now, because the home buying, and in this case, the home building process, is one of the largest things most people are ever going to go through in terms of an expense or a major milestone, I wanted to take an opportunity on this channel, Andrew Saraceni Plus, to talk all about that. So if you're curious about any of the different things we've gone through in this journey, whether being VIPs and getting early access into a community, or picking out all of your different options that you're going to go through, the financing and mortgage process, and all that entails in terms of money and buying a new house. And yes, there's a lot that goes into that. And of course, all of the different aspects around the construction and the entire process of actually building the home. This is going to be the place where I'm going to be documenting and talking about that. My goal in doing this is to share a lot of insights and knowledge that a lot of people, I think, are looking for when they're going about this process that just frankly doesn't exist out there. Now, there's a lot to cover, and we've been doing our own homework and research, but I wanted to put a lot of this information out there to the world just to be transparent and hopefully help other different home buyers, couples, whomever might be looking in the process later down the line. There's going to be a lot of content to come, so feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, let me know what content you want to see. Are there any particular topics you're interested in hearing about this? We are actually at the point of just starting. The house has not been built yet at the point I'm making this video, so there's a lot of things we have the opportunity to cover if we know about it and if we know people are looking for it. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you didn't know, I do actually have another YouTube channel that is just Andrew Saraceni, not Andrew Saraceni Plus. On that channel, I cover camera, video, photo, and tech-related content. And certainly if you're looking for more of that, that is the place to go. But also, don't be surprised if some of that maybe gets mixed over here from time to time, or some other related content as I explore what I can do in this space with this channel. All in all, I'm excited to start documenting the process and sharing this with all of you. So let's see where it goes. For now, that is all I have to say, so thanks for watching.